got there, Captain Rutch?
Oh, I got a little one. Little guppy.
Nice. Nice. And I think after having a day where you're beating your head against a wall, the best thing you can do is go back to something fun and familiar. Looked kind of like a grouper at first, didn't it?
Nah, it's a big old mutton. You gonna be able to grab this boy for me?
I don't know, it's not my specialty, but I'll try.
Or you want me to grab it?
Damn, what
You wanna gaff him? Gaff him right in the belly.
A day of fishing or several days of fishing is always about overcoming challenges.
Beautiful.
You got any more gaffing tips for me, Captain Rutch?
I got a few
do?
fishing tips for you. Don't let the sharks eat them.
God. Dude, nice work. That's a freaking stud.
He gave me all I wanted on that spinning rod.
Holy moly. Fishing is supposed to be fun. And a lot of times, for a lot of different reasons, we make it not fun for ourselves. What we got, Captain Rutch?
Big mutton.
Oh, dog.
Big old mutton snapper.
Oh, damn, look at that wad of fish going underneath us. Better?
Better. A little lower next time, but it is a big hook.
Dude, it's the raddest fish you have, sorry. This and swordfish. Maybe someday I'll
Look at that black eye.
It's the raddest fish, it really is. It never gets old to me. Seeing them, catching them, eating them.
You can only get knocked down so many times
before you accidentally get up. And in this case, you know, we were able to control bait and we were fortunate to get good weather and we've got the boat, we've got the gear, we've got the know-how. You gonna clown me all day or what are we doing here, bud?
Oh, I'm sure I can mess this up, Ollie.
You gotta switch directions.
Well, it's a mutton, isn't it?
Oh, buddy.
Over the rail in Ollie's pail.
I was very confident if we would put another day into chasing wahoo around, we would have got it done.
Bigger mutton. There you go.
Thanks for baiting my hook, Captain Russ.
But we only have so much time to get things done. It was time to try a different bait, try different techniques, and go out and have some fun and catch some fish.
Your favorite fish, end of the day.
We're not on the boat yet, buddy.
It's like a Cinderella story.
The way things are going.
Like a Cinderella story.
Oh, he's right in the bone.
Oh.
Well, you had to put the worm on my hook for me. Catching bottom fish in the Florida Keys is always a lot of fun. There's always a lot of the unexpected, like a shark eating your stuff in half, catching something weird. Oh, God.
Can you grab my shark for me?
Not a chance, it's a mutton.
You might need to gaff this one. There you go.
Better?
Better.
I'm trying over here, Captain Russ. You are destroying me today, brother. It's just adjust, overcome, and have fun.
Another cookie cutter.
Beautiful mutton. This episode will be called Muttons to the Rescue.
Muttons to the rescue.